morning student, welcome here. We are dealing with active and passive voice of your GE session. Simple tenses we have discussed, and now it is time for going for that present continuous tense. If time will permit us, I will discuss both the tense together. I mean that present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Both the tense will be discussed in this video. First we will go for present continuous tense. So use of present continuous tense you know, means how to use present continuous, that you know. Present continuous tense generally used to show the current situation, means what you are doing right now is discussed with the help of this tense. The use is same, but sentence pattern is different. So first we will go for affirmative sentence pattern, and the sentence pattern is, see, first is affirmative sentences. In that first we will write about active voice. It is subject, we need am, is or are. After that we need V4. V4 means present participle, I mean verb with ing. After that object, other words. Okay, now passive voice. This object will come here, so here it becomes subject, am, is, are. The one thing is changed here, that is being, means you have to put being after am, is, are. After that we need V3. This V4 will be converted into V3. After that by, object and other words. Okay, this is the sentence pattern. Now we will convert sentences into passive voice using this sentence pattern. First sentence is, she is posting her birthday photos on the Instagram. Okay, so here our object is her birthday photos. That will come here. Now see student, here we have plural form. So here is will be replaced by are. That's why we will use are. Now this being, after that posting will be converted into posted by her on the Instagram. Okay, this is the affirmative sentence and the sentence pattern. Please you note down this. After that I will give you more sentences. Second sentence, we are arranging our annual function in December. Now we will convert. Our annual function will come first. Our annual function is being arranged by us in December. The most important part is this being arranged. Okay. Number 3. Someone is watching you everywhere, every time. So you comes first. You are being watched by someone everywhere, every time. Okay, see, if you don't write by someone here, it's okay, no need to repeat that thing, because we don't know who is the subject or doer of the action is. Please you note down this. More sentences will be given to you. Please you note down. Next sentence is, number 4. Our principal is planning a tour for the students in January. Okay, so what your principal is planning, and we will get our object, that is a tour. So that a tour will come first. So a tour, here we are talking about only one tour. So a tour is being planned by our principal for the students in January. Okay, now number 5. They are holding this vase now. Okay, so this vase come first. Is being holded by them now. Now number 6. The students are writing the sentences. In their notebooks. So the sentences will come first. These sentences are plural form here, so we will use are. The sentences are being written by the students in their notebook. Okay, these are the affirmative sentences. You have to note down these sentences. Please you note down. Here it is being. And yes, it is hold, not holded. Okay. Now next we will do negative sentences. Nothing new in negative sentences, you just have to put a not between am, is, are and verb. Sentence pattern of active voice is subject plus am, is, are plus not V4 object other words. Passive voice subject plus am, is, are plus not being V3 by object plus other words. Okay. We will make sentence C. They are not giving me a gift on my birthday. Here we have two objects, that is me and a gift. So two answers are possible. Answer number 1. First we will take this me as an object. I am not being given a gift by them on my birthday. And now gift will come first. A gift is not being given to me by them on my birthday. Second, he is selecting the best car for his father. Okay, so the best car will come first. the best car, sorry, he is not selecting an expensive car for him. So an expensive car will come first. So an expensive car is not being selected by him for him. Okay, these are the negative sentences of present continuous tense in passive voice. Please you note down this. Next examples. Number 3, she is not making her project. Okay, so this her project will come first. Her project is not being made by her. See, don't use maked. Okay, maked is not a right word. Now number 4, we are not counting this subject. So this subject will come first. This subject is not being counted by us. Number 5, you are not putting any condition. So any condition will come first. Any condition is not being put by you. These are the negative sentences, students. Please you note down this. After that we will go for interrogative sentences. Please note down. Now we will go for interrogative sentences. A little bit difficult to remember but not hard. Those interrogative sentences are: interrogative, okay. Active voice is, here am is are comes first, am is and are, plus subject plus V4 plus object at last other words and at last question mark. Passive voice construction is am is are comes here. After that, subject plus being plus V3 by object, other words question mark. And the sentence is, are you reading your history book? So this your history book will come first. So here we have talking about one history book. So is your history book being read by you? Okay, now second, is she making any plan for 2022? So plan will come first. Is any plan being made by her for 2022? These are interrogative sentences. Please you note down. After that we will go for another sentences. Please note down. Okay students, so this is for today's video. Now it is time to give you homework. Your homework is write 10 sentences of this tense in active and passive voice. Now you have the sentence pattern and you have an example, many examples. So you have to write 10 sentences of this tense. We will meet again with past continuous tense of the same topic. Till then, take care. Bye.